Hi everyone, is Roblox not working or giving you errors? Let's update it and fix the most common issues fast. So let's get started. So to update the Roblox, go to your Google Play Store and search for Roblox. And then here tap update if available. For PC or Mac, the Roblox will usually updates automatically when your game launch. If not, try restarting the Roblox app or your computer. And to fix the common errors, game won't load. Just clear your browser cache or use a different browser and make sure that your internet connection is stable and log out or log in back. Then disable the browser extension or firewalls that may block the Roblox, and you can also uninstall or reinstall the Roblox again. And that's how to update the Roblox and fix the issues in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.